Okay, guys. Today I'm about to repair this lawnmower. This is a sitting lawnmower. I've had it in the garage for a long time. So one of the tire went flat. So this one is okay. This one is inflated properly, and this one is deflated. You see. So I'm trying to inflate it this morning. Let's see. I've been looking at it on the side. Okay. There's any hole on it. So look on this side. Look on this side. I'm not seeing any hole. So let me see if I can repair it. So what you do is I put this down and try to put it around the tire. Okay. So I fill it here and put it around the tire. Strap it around the tire like that. Strap it all around the tire because this is a tubeless. This is a tubeless tire, so it doesn't have any tube in it. So, but you want to make it. You want to put the tire on the rim so that the tire can fold the grip the rim, so there isn't any air, around it when you inflate it. So right there. So I will just put the light down because holding this light and doing this thing together is hard. So make sure that the strap is all the way around it, and make sure that this is holding the tire, and then and as you do it, you adjust the tire, make sure the tire is in the middle. I got the lawnmower on the top of this paint because I don't have a jack right now for this lawnmower, so I just put the lawnmower on the top of this paint with this wooden to elevate it so the tire can be on the ground. So and then you gotta crank this up so it can be tight enough so it can grip the tire on the rim. So tight, but make sure you adjust it. Tight to hold the rim real good. Okay, then I remove the cover and got a compressor here, so put the what they use in this a bit. Alright, well. Remove that belt a little bit so that I can have more room to put more air in it. So just move my light so I can remove. Okay guys, yeah, I got it completed a little bit, so I'm removing this belt now. The belt that I had on it to hold it in place. So I'm getting it out. And, belt is out. Taking it apart. And there are two parts of the belt. This is the part that cranks. This is the part that cranks the belt, and this long part. So I put that to the side, and then the compressor is still on. So as you can hear it, the compressor there still on. So I'll make sure I put more air to fully inflate the tire. So it's halfway. You see around here now, it's pretty much like this one. So they're both looking the same, but this one, maybe I'll just add a little more here to, so not too much. I don't want to overinflate it. cover. That's how you inflate a tubeless tire on a lawnmower. Okay, see you on the next one.